Either be it you're a business owner wanting to engage your customers or a company wanting to engage their employees, events are one of the great ways to achieve such. Businesses are organizing public webinars, meetups, and related events to engage their target audience, market their new product or service, or keep them updated with the latest news about the organization. In this video, we will show you on how to send invitations for your events through WhatsApp. With RocketSend.io, you can customize messages right in Microsoft Excel sheet for easier editing and updating. This can allow you to faster organize your contacts and messages that you are about to send. For this guide, as an example, let's create this invitation message for a public webinar through WhatsApp. How to use this Chrome extension to send invitations through WhatsApp for your event? Just go to RocketSend.io and click the Install Chrome extension. You will be redirected to the Chrome extension store page of RocketSend.io and click Add to Chrome. Next step, after the installation, let's now create and prepare the file that we'll be uploading to RocketSend.io. To do this, open Microsoft Excel and create the headers for phone numbers and the name of each person that you're about to send the message to. Aside from these two columns, you can also include additional columns to make your message more personalized. In this example, we will create a column named Role to depict the job role of the people that we want to send the message to. After filling out the details needed, save the file in CSV format. To do this, click File, click Save As, choose the location that you want to save the file to, enter the file name that you want, and click the file type drop-down and select CSV or comma delimited file. And after that, click the save button. Now at this point, we have now created the master file of the people that we want to send the invitation to. Next up, head to your WhatsApp web and click the sender button. The RocketSend.io pane will appear on the top right corner of your browser. Click the Upload CSV button and select the file that you saved earlier. Now, RocketSend.io will send messages one by one according to the map column where it should get the phone numbers to use. To properly map the phone numbers for the message sending, click the drop down for Select column with phone numbers and select the column where the phone numbers are saved earlier. As you will notice, after doing this, RocketSend.io pane will show you the retrieved phone numbers from the file uploaded for double checking and verification before sending the message. Now for the fun part. After mapping the phone number, we can now create our message. Remember the template that we showed earlier? We will now construct the message with dynamic variables based on the file that we uploaded. In our example message, we will make the name and the job role for the message unique for each message sent. To do this, go to the message section of RocketSend.io pane, copy paste the message template, and customize the message based on the variables. In this case, we will now insert the name and the job role columns. As an addition, you can also create supporting graphic posters for the event to make it more visually appealing for your target audience. To do this, just click the Send Attachment toggle button and click the Attach Image button. And after all has been set, click Send WhatsApp to send your messages. Wait for the processing to finish, and that's it. You've successfully sent your event invitation through WhatsApp using RocketSend.io Chrome extension. With this powerful feature of RocketSend.io in message customization, this won't just be limited in event invitations. You can also send birthday greetings, business notifications, updates about your business to engage your customers even more. Want to know more about this lightweight and easy to use Chrome extension? Check out the related video on the description box below. Got questions, or do you have any topics that you want us to discuss? Let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and see you on the next video.